Welcome back. We're on day 3 of reading a realistic fiction chapter book. Previously, we took a sneak peek to get ready to read. We were keeping track of where and when the story took place, and we predicted what might happen next. Today, as I read chapter 3, I want you to think about your prediction. Were you correct? I also want you to get ready because you're going to be retelling the important parts of the story, what's happened so far. Don't forget to retell the characters, the setting, what happened in the beginning, and what's happened in the middle. If you forget, it is definitely okay to reread to notice more. You can go back to day 1, day 2, and rewatch those videos as well as this video if you can't remember what happened in the story. At the end, when I'm finished, I want you to find someone at your house who's not busy working, and I want you to retell them what has happened so far. Here we go with chapter 3, Where's Walter? When the bus pulled up in front of the aquarium, Iris said, "Look at all the people." "Hey, Walter," said Benny, "that boy is wearing a shirt just like yours." "He is," said Walter. "Now, children, it's very crowded here, so keep your eyes on me," said Miss Cherry. The children walked down a dark hallway. Everywhere they looked, there were fish. "Ooh," they whispered. "Sharks," said Benny. "They looked mean," said Iris. While the children were looking at the sharks, Miss Cherry and Jenny's mother counted everyone. "Okay, follow me," said Miss Cherry. They came to the coral reef. "Wow," said Iris and Benny. Walter could not say a word. He watched the angelfish swim and shimmer, the hermit crabs scurry, and the seagrass sway. Walter had never seen anything as wonderful as the coral reef. "Are we going to see the penguins soon?" asked Iris. "That's our next stop," said Miss Cherry, and she counted everyone again. "Off we go," said Miss Cherry. They walked past the starfish. They walked past the seahorses. "Oh, look, there are the penguins," said Iris, taking Walter's hand. "Don't you think they are cute, Walter?" But Walter didn't answer. Iris turned around. She saw a boy. "You're not Walter," said Iris. "I'm Nick," said the boy. "Where's my class?" he asked. Iris looked all around. There were crowds of children. She could not see Walter anywhere. "There you are, Nick," shouted a woman. "I've been looking all over for you." Nick grabbed his teacher's hand and held on tight. Iris ran to Miss Cherry. "Miss Cherry, I can't find Walter," she said. "Walter's lost?" asked Jenny. "I can't find him anywhere," said Iris. All right, this is the end of chapter 3. I want you to retell to somebody what has happened so far in the book. Also, think about your prediction. Was it correct? Did what you thought happen? See you tomorrow for the exciting conclusion of our story.